You know, one thing I believe, all good ideas coming from God. Sure, understand? So now, what I wanted to share to you on this particular video, like if you have been a Global Freelance Academy paid member before, then you know that actually that the network, affiliate network that we hosted our program, which is the ClickShore, in other words, this particular affiliate network, they shut down. In other words, they are not in the market again. Again, they opened this particular one called ASO. So this one is the where we hosted our Global Freelance Academy paid membership. You understand me before, and they shut down and they opened this particular ASO. And ASO, the integration and some other things for is not yet 100% done. You understand me? And for our program to actually be integrated on it, it's not something that you can achieve very fast at this particular time. So now my question was like, actually, how can the people be actually promoting Global Freelance Academy and be making money on that particular stuff? Again, this particular promotion at the time, at this particular one I'm talking about, is not only for the paid member of Global Freelance Academy alone. So even if you're a free member, you can say actually, even if you are not yet a member of Global Freelance Academy, you can say actually promote Global Freelance Academy and make yourself cool money. The reason why I'm doing this particular stuff is actually I wanted to back up my own comment that I made previously about this particular, that the potential of somebody to make money without money. In other words, the three equations I gave, that the three equations that I believe that is true. Number one is actually that money minus right mind is red color in your bank account, but right mind minus money will give you money. Then right mind minus plus money will give you more money. I didn't know if you get it. So I was trying to prove that the potential of somebody to make money without money, as far as that your mind is working, is in a good shape to actually create wealth, there is potential for you to create wealth without having money. Then because money is just an amplifier, I don't know if you get it. However, when you have money and you invested it on whatever you are doing, then you can make more money. So understand me? So to prove this particular stuff, that is why I allow everybody at this particular time we are waiting before we take our business to us or whichever network it will be, so that everybody will be able to actually promote Global Freelance Academy and make the money out of it. You understand me? So now what we did is, if you check out our old form of Global Freelance Academy, let me actually get it here, our own as in processor form, this particular Global Freelance Academy, you can see that it have only names, first name, last name, email, phone number, and actually the price show the same. So then our Global Freelance Academy is 53,000, a little bit over 53,000. So but if you look at now, this is our actually the new form. So I was thinking, how can I help you guys to actually still be getting money out of the Global Freelance Academy when you promote it? You understand? So I just this particular idea coming to my mind. As you can see, our form now is actually first name, last name, email address, phone number, then the price. And we did a quoting because actually people were actually asking for the reduction on the price of Global Freelance Academy so that they can join in. So open a window for people to actually fast join Global Freelance Academy at this particular time before we take it to the affiliate network again, and probably we can increase the price to the normal price. You understand me? So we increase this particular two things, in other words, sponsor name and the sponsor number. You understand me? So once you promote Global Freelance Academy, but my advice is do not promote it online now, except if you are a blogger and you have a blog and you can actually post something on the blog, and probably you have to tell them if they wanted to buy that they should use your name and your number as the sponsor. Sure, understand? Then you can do that particular. So once they buy with your name as a sponsor, as a number, then once there is purchase, then we can have an access in our back office with the pay stack. We have an access to know whomever that referred the person from the whatever he put on the sponsor name and the sponsor number. So once we get the number, we can call the person up and give the person the, at this particular time, since the price is 29 over a little bit of 29,000, then not up to 30,000 to join Global Freelance Academy right now. Awesome. So we can give the person that referred the, like if it's you that referred that particular person and he put your name and your number as a referrer, as a sponsor, then you can give that particular person actually we can give you that refer the person actually the 10,000 naira at the time I'm recording this video. Since the price is 29,000, then we can give you 10,000. So you'll be making 10,000 out of that particular business that is not even yours. Also, so understand me. So now the question is actually, how can you get this particular stuff? In other words, how, if you don't have any clue how we can market it, let me give you number one idea. I think I can help you actually do this particular stuff. So this is actually the post I just did. As you can see, my dear, over 90% of this online blah 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 blah. So if you read this particular post, as I can slow down to actually scroll, is probably you have to be pausing the video as you are watching this particular video, because I don't have much time to actually go with you throughout this particular post. I didn't know what difficult is. So actually it's simple. It's simple. Get a post to your friends on Facebook instead of wasting time on Facebook. Why not share this particular post on Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram? Name them. Sure, understand? So you have to. You might even create group and gather people to actually tell them about the good news about the Global Freelance Academy. As you can see, so right now there is somebody can buy Global Freelance Academy online by going to this particular link, as you can see, by going to this particular direct link to actually buy it, this particular direct link. And somebody can also buy it by transferring the money to our account, to my own account, this particular stuff. And after they transfer the money, they will send this particular message to me for me to activate them. You understand me? So what you have to do, you as a promoter right now, is I will post this particular you join our Global Freelance Academy Telegram group and demand for this particular post. So I will share it to you. I will send it to you either in private message or something like that, or you can look over it over my post on our Telegram group. You can see similar like this. So understand. So what you have to do is actually you edit it before you are sharing it. Once you edit it, as you can see, this particular number one option to buy Global Freelance Academy, you come here and put your name here and actually put your number here, so that when they go to that particular process, as in our phone page, they will be able to put your details as the sponsor, because we are, once there is sale, we can go to our back office with pay stack and know who is the sponsor of that particular person, and send the person that, call the person up on the phone and send the person the 10,000 to any account he told us to actually send it. So that is number one. Have to edit that particular place. Again, for this particular area, you have to also edit this particular area. I don't know whether if you are getting it. Let me actually go a little bit up. You have to edit this particular area that says Oliver Afabike and number. You have to actually edit this particular place. That is the only place you have to edit. Another one is this particular place that there is this particular select number. You can actually edit, I mean this particular place, you can actually edit this particular place. Sure, understand me? Very simple, and put your own number. That is all. Again, to get this particular post, join our Global Freelance Academy Telegram group. So what you have to do, go to this particular place that says www.bit.ly/GFA-TGG, start for Telegram group TGGP. Sure, understand me? And actually do this particular demand for that particular post. Again, if you are looking for more ways to actually, so you can be posting it on your Facebook, maybe in the morning and in the evening, in the morning and in the evening. Who knows who can join Global Freelance Academy via your link, and you get via your sponsor detail, and you get that particular commission until we get our program to the affiliate network. Then probably this particular opportunity might shut down. So you have to actually be fast about it. Again, if you have church, you don't have church member, not if you have church member, you can actually go to in that particular post. There is a video that you might download, or you can give them for free. In other words, the free version of the Global Freelance Academy. You might download them, get them on your device. So if you meet your friends, you'll be like, you see how to, I just got a video on how to make money online. Then you can share the video to the person and tell the person, if you wanted to buy the actually the main program, that it should use this particular name and this particular number to the sponsor details. Sure, understand me? So that you can know that it is you that actually refer the person. Again, join our other group. Go to our YouTube channel. As you can see, go to our YouTube channel on this particular link. go to Facebook fan page, join our Facebook group and some other things. This is awesome links that is before you here. You see what people were actually talking about Global Freelance Academy. As you can see, it's awesome. People are commenting about it. So get into the program. Again, you don't need to be a paid member for this particular opportunity to run this particular offer. I didn't know if you get it, but you have to run it in a way that you let them to join in with your details as a sponsor, as their sponsor, so that we'll be able to get you your own commission of 10,000 per sale. That is actually what I wanted to share on this particular video. Again, if you're a paid member of Global Freelance Academy and you have your own group, what you do is you have to contact me on our private Telegram, on the GFA private Telegram group for the paid members. You understand me? So you have to contact me there. Then probably I can schedule a Skype call, Skype webinar with you and your group. You understand me? And map up one day to actually something like about 30 minutes to lecture you about, so you don't necessarily need to actually come over to the office. You just, once it's scheduled, have our time, your prospects can actually join us through that particular the Skype call. So I can create that particular Skype group for you guys, and we can actually I show you guys how to the benefit of online and some other things. So probably by that particular way you can actually get your prospect to buy that particular course. So understand me? Probably with time we can map out time to be actually doing interstate seminars. I didn't know how you see that particular. So instead of folding your hand and not doing anything and probably going towards broke, why not actually take this particular chance till we find actually the any available affiliate network that we can actually take our program to. Then probably we can actually show this particular opportunity of showing the same. So this is what I wanted to share to you. Again, I just want to play this particular awesome video that I just got on YouTube today with you guys. I don't want to waste a lot of your time, but I just wanted to actually inspire you a little bit. So I just got this particular video on YouTube, and it just got my mind. Actually, I have a big dream. You understand me? So I didn't know about you. So I didn't know about you. So if you have a big dream, probably you can enjoy this particular stuff. Is in the Infinity Q inspiration and the concept of the Infinity competition. Understand me? So I like this particular car. I don't know about you whether if you do like it, but one thing I wanted to tell you is dream big. Do not let anything on this particular earth get your dream dwarfed. You understand? Always fire it, because eventually it will come to be. I don't know what if you get it. So this particular stuff is actually a material stuff, but actually it makes sense. So my eye is on this particular stuff, waiting for when they will actually start the start sale of that particular awesome powerful car. You understand? I don't know about you. You understand? So there is every potential that with this particular stuff you can get this particular stuff. I don't know, this particular vehicle. I don't know how much. Let's assume that you have. Let me actually put this and actually show you this particular stuff. Let's assume that you a serious guy, a serious student, and you were able to actually, let me minimize this particular one. You were able to actually have, let's say, up to 500 people from your Facebook people, friends, WhatsApp friends, students friends, or church friends, and some other things. You're able to actually sell up to 500 of Global Freelance Academy using this particular any techniques. So understand. So you might be close to at least quarter of this the price of this particular vehicle. So this, okay, let's say that you struggle hard and was able to sell it to up to 1,000. Or don't you think that you have up to 1,000 friends? Check your Facebook profile and some other things. You understand? And you know you might have more than that. You understand? So if you are getting 10,000 naira for 1,000, that is actually, as you can see, 10 million. 10 million. Then you can use this particular to power yourself. So without wasting time, I just showed you how you can actually enjoy Global Freelance Academy. I mean, say make a lot of money promoting Global Freelance Academy till they actually take it to the online. Because once we take it to online, I mean what I mean by online, once we take it to the affiliate network, probably it's only the paid member of Global Freelance Academy will be promoting it. So try to coach me right that it doesn't take money to make money, rather it takes money to make more money by actually start promoting this particular stuff. Just join our group, Telegram group, and I will share you this particular post that I showed you on the WhatsApp now, and then you'll be using it to be marketing your stuff. Sean, marketing Global Freelance Academy and making yourself the cool money, 10,000 per sell. So understand, and as you can see, the price is now a little bit low, so people will rush it whenever you're doing this particular market. So there's no need of wasting more time. This is just what I wanted to share with you on this particular awesome Sunday evening. So I will see you when you enjoy your money that you have actually made from Global Freelance Academy and from any other product that you are promoting online. I will see you then. Bye.